Hi, here is an amazing chicken soup made with ingredients found in any pantry. It's a high collagen, tangy, spicy and sinus opening soup perfect for any rainy day. For this, we will be using a quarter of an onion, dice it finely and keep it aside. For the green soup base, into a mixer add just 1 chili. Now this is optional. Followed by 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, fistful of coriander along with the stems, a fistful of mint leaves, and salt as per taste. Note, I am just adding very less amount of salt. Grind everything into a smooth paste. You may add water while grinding. For this 1 pot soup, let's use a pressure cooker for easy cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 3 cloves, a small cinnamon piece, 2 pieces of cardamom or elaichi, and half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Roast the spices still aromatic, followed by the diced onions. Ensure that the onions are never overcooked. It should just become translucent or light pink. Now let's add in half a cup of chicken pieces. I am using chicken carcass. You can use chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks as well, or any bones for that matter. Followed by pepper as per taste and a little bit of turmeric. I am just using a 1/4 teaspoon. If you add more, the soup will become bitter. Keep on cooking till the chicken changes color. Once the chicken browns, let's add the green soup base. You can always add more or less chilies, depending upon your spice preference. This is a very forgiving soup. We need to cook the green base till the herbal smell is gone completely. Now I'm adding 750 ml of water to this mixture. Let's add the water from the grinder after rinsing to avoid waste. And for extra flavor, I'm adding half of a chicken cube. This creates more depth in the soup. The entire soup can be made well under 15 minutes. Let's pressure cook it for around 2 whistles. It's time to open the pressure cooker. Ooh la la, such soup est bonne. I've been learning French of recent. Can you tell me what I've spoken in French? It's time to taste test. If you require to add more salt, add it now. That's the final step. Add some crushed dried fenugreek leaf to the soup along with a squeeze of lemon. And your perfect tangy, herby, minty, meaty collagen soup is ready. Always start with very less salt while preparing soup. You can always taste test and then amend it. Now let's serve this beautiful soup in a very beautiful bowl. Do try making this soup at home and let me know if you enjoyed it. Kindly comment what other recipes I should try on my channel. So subscribe and stay in touch. Bye!